Hi there. Welcome to my Skrill for Business account registration walkthrough video. I hope you follow along with me. Skrill for Business account is great because you can use it to receive payments integrated to CMS or websites like WordPress, Shopify and WHMCS billing system, which I use for providing web hosting services as a business and other popular platforms. Please do your research first if your website, CMS, supports Skrill so you don't waste your time setting up a Skrill for Business account that is useless for you, of course. When you fill up this form, make sure you already have a registered business somewhere, like in my case, I have Unlimited in the UK, so I was asked for company number which I must submit and other accurate details based on the business details. If you want to receive and send payments, you should select the first one and it should be the default one to use for business and what I do recommend. For industry, make sure to select the nearest to your service industry. For emails processing, just use skrill@yourdomain.com and make sure you can receive emails to this email. I believe this will be used when a client sends you payments, just like PayPal and other integration via your shopping cart. Other emails, just add your admin account or whatever you use that you can receive emails and is able to monitor on a daily basis. Address. Your registered business address. Currencies. Make sure you use your primary currency based on your registered business so it won't be that confusing in regards filing reports or maybe on Skrill's end. Website. Make sure to use the dedicated link where you will integrate your Skrill account for payments, like for me, WHMCS, then I added my system URL. You can find your system URL based in your shopping cart URL or your domain or subdomain where you have installed the specific website or system. Business contact. This section is where you add all your personal details or the owner, director and etc. personnel related to the business. It doesn't matter if you are not from the place where your business is located. Just make sure you don't add any fake details because Skrill will ask documents to prove this or valid details further. Additional business information. This is where you add obviously other details about your business. For better understanding what details you should provide, you can also hover over your mouse on the question mark symbol beside the blanks and it should be already self-explanatory. For this section, I believe this is for your estimated annual revenue/net sales, but I'm not sure though. I just filled up mine with estimates, and if you like to provide an accurate guess, do search further yourself before you submit the details. And that's how you can register a Skrill for Business account. Once done, wait for Skrill to contact you via your email, as they will need to verify it and you should be able to verify the information you submitted when asked. I will update in further days if my application has been verified or accepted. Good luck to all of us.